Peace and Pan-Africanism, peace and Pan-Africanism. We celebrated Frederick Douglass' birthday 2 days ago, and in honor of Frederick Douglass, today, brothers and sisters, Black History Month 2023, we just made history. The board covers on the windows are off, brothers and sisters. We have taken the boards off your windows. It's not a good Garvey day. It's a great Garvey day. Who ready to see the windows? Who ready to see the FDMG windows? Because the haters said we didn't have the windows. We've always had windows. Every window had glass windows. We just kept them protected until it was time to open up the school, brothers and sisters. This was not no abandoned building. It wasn't no boarded up building. Ain't no bando. $13 million project 10 years ago. $13 million project 10 years ago. Who ready to see the windows? I'm about to show y'all the windows, brothers and sisters. Let's go see it. Look at the windows. Look at the windows, brothers and sisters. The boards is off. Ifatunde Avenue, the boards is off. Look at the windows, brothers and sisters. Look at the windows. Look at the windows. That's right. That's right. Grand opening coming soon. Grand opening coming soon. Look at the windows, brothers and sisters. Look at them big, beautiful windows, brothers and sisters. Look at the big, beautiful windows on the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Look at the big, beautiful windows on the Frederick Douglass. Now the rain coming down, the ancestors. The rain coming down. The rain coming down. Oh, man. I got to show y'all the other side. I got to show y'all the other side. Look at the big, beautiful windows. Look at the big, beautiful windows on the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey. We getting them tinted, brothers and sisters. Well, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that glass. Look at all that big glass. We getting them tinted so nobody could look inside. Yes, brothers and sisters. It's nation time. It's nation time. It's nation time. Your school, my school, our school. Who ready for the grand opening? Who ready for the grand opening? Who coming to the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy grand opening? Who's ready? Who's ready, brothers and sisters? Just a few more days. We just waiting on HVAC to finish it on up. Just a few more days, brothers and sisters. Who coming on now? We're going to have the music in here. We're going to have the food in here. We're going to have workshops and seminars in every classroom. Who coming to the FDMG grand opening? Who coming to the FDMG grand opening? They said we couldn't do it, brothers and sisters. They said we couldn't do it. They said we were scamming and stealing and lying, that it was all a scam. Look at these beautiful buildings. Show me another independent school in the country rocking like us. Show me another independent. I ain't talking about no charter. That's public money. I ain't talking about no charter. That's government money. I said independent. We got real buildings. Independent school, real, not no church, not no basement, not no house. Real deal. Let's go into the men's bathroom one time. Let's see if the water working. Let's see if the water working. Uh-oh. 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 Wait a minute. Oh, man, they didn't flush the toilet. Come on, family. I got to flush the toilet. I got to clean that toilet out, brothers and sisters. They didn't put all kind of... Is the urinal working? Uh-oh. Urinal's working. Uh-oh. 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 Let's go. This is the teacher's lounge, brothers and sisters. This is the teacher's lounge. This is where our female teachers and staff will come to handle their business right here. This is where the female teachers and staff, let's see what we doing. We got to finish doing some cleaning. Let's see if the water working. Uh-oh. Let's see if the water working for the teachers. Let's see if the water working. Let's see if the toilets is working for the teachers, brothers and sisters. Toilets is working. I got to clean some out, though. I got to clean these toilets out. I got to spill something in there. They working, but I got to clean them. Everything's working in here, brothers and sisters. The plumbing is working. The electric is working. Everything's working, brothers and sisters. Everything's working. I think this is going to be the discipline room. This is going to be the timeout room, brothers and sisters. This is going to be the timeout room right here, brothers and sisters. Oh, yes. Oh, the ancestors are with us, brothers and sisters. The ancestors are with us. The ancestors, I think this is going to be the detention room. This is going to be the RBG paddle room. I think this is going to be the RBG paddle room because this is just a little one. I think it's going to be the RBG paddle room. Send your resume, FDMG resumes at Gmail. Send your resume, FDMG resumes at Gmail. When is the grand opening? It might be Malcolm X's birthday. Grand opening might be Malcolm X's birthday. Pan-Africanism. Grand opening might be Malcolm X's birthday. Brothers and sisters, we need school furniture. Can somebody find me where we could get some free desks? Can we get some free chairs, some free desks? Can we get some office, some bookshelves? We need school furniture, brothers and sisters. Help us out. We just made history. First school in American history built by the African diaspora. We just made history. First school in American history built by the African diaspora. We just made history. We need some school furniture, brothers and sisters. Who's going to help us find some school furniture? We need desks. We need chairs, chalkboards. We need a dry erase. We need school furniture. We need a couch for the teacher's lounge, refrigerator for the teacher's lounge. We need a desk for the teachers' desk. We rolling, brothers and sisters. Facebook Marketplace, they said he couldn't do it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, it's nation time. It's nation time, brothers and sisters. It's nation time. They said we couldn't do it. They said we couldn't do it, brothers and sisters. They said we couldn't do it. Lord have mercy. It's nation time. It's nation time, brothers and sisters. Y'all see the RBG rock? Y'all see the RBG rock back there? It's nation time. We got the windows tinted. We could look out, but they can't look in. We could look out, but they can't look in. We getting the windows tinted. Okay? Every classroom gonna be named after a Pan-African ancestor. Classroom number 1, the most honorable Marcus Garvey. Classroom, take that back. Classroom number 1, the most honorable Frederick Douglass. Classroom number 2, the most honorable Marcus Garvey. Classroom number 3 will go to who? Henry Highland Garnett, Kwame Nkrumah, Patrice Lumumba, Steve Biko, Robert Sobukwe, Chris Hani. Who's it going to? Julius Nyerere. Who's it going to? Sekou Touré, Dedan Kimathi, His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, Bishop Turner, John Brown, Russ Worm. We naming the classrooms after the Pan-Africanists. Oh, Lord have mercy. Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. We ain't got one school. We got 2 schools. We ain't got one school. We got 2 schools. Relevant institutions. I said relevant institutions. I said relevant institutions, brothers and sisters. Let's check out another classroom. I'm getting hyped right now for the grand opening. Who coming to the grand opening? Let me check in with the Germaniacs. Where my queens at? Let me check in with my Germaniacs. Where my 5'5", nappy hair, all natural, conscious, committed, revolutionary sisters? Where you at, ladies? Where my Germaniacs at? Where my queens at? Where my single, sexy, and nappy queens at? Where my single, sexy, and nappy? Where my single, sexy, conscious, revolutionary queens? We must stay focused, brothers. Oh, yes. Shout out the Grandmaster Teacher, Dr. Ajwa Kwesi, and Queen Mother Mary Wa Kwesi. Queen Mother Mary Wa will be the keynote speaker Friday night, 7 o'clock. For the grand opening, should we have everybody bring some food? For the grand opening, should we cater or should we just ask everybody to bring a different dish? What do y'all think, brothers and sisters? What do y'all think, brothers and sisters? Thank you for the Black History hoodie. Who sent me the Black History hoodie? Who sent me the Black History hoodie? Thank you for the Black History hoodie. Y'all like my kufi? I got this in Jackson, Mississippi. Shout out to Jackson, Mississippi. The water crisis will be done with. Shout out to Jackson, Mississippi. I got this kufi at the art gallery at Jackson, Mississippi. What do you think of the kufi, ladies? Do you like the kufi or should I take it off? I'm talking to the Germaniacs. Where my queens at? I'm talking to the Germaniacs. Where my Ifatunde Queendom, aka Germaniac Nation. Do you like the? If you like the kufi, text me. 215-989-9858. Say, Doc, keep the kufi on. Doc, take the kufi off. It got the Africa on top. It got the Africa on top. If you like the kufi, let me know. Let me know. 215-989-9858. I posted a new phone number yesterday. Disregard that phone number. If you come into the grand opening, hit your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit your PayPal, International Africans, because we could not have built this school without the International Africans. We could have not built this school without the International Africans. PayPal.me/FDMG Academy. PayPal.me/FDMG Academy. PayPal.me/FDMG Academy. Check some money orders, P.O. Box 9634. Check some money orders, P.O. Box 9634. Check some money orders, P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. Revolution is coming. The academic intellectual revolution. 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 4th grade. Your sons better be ready. On September 3rd, 2024, there's an academic revolution. On September 3rd, 2024, anniversary of Frederick Douglass's escape, there's going to be a revolution. The ladies' bathroom. Uh-oh. The girls' bathroom. Uh-oh. The girls' bathroom. Uh-oh. The princess bathroom. Uh-oh. The Princess Academy, Anna Douglas, Amy Garvey, Princess Academy. All the sinks is working. All the toilets is flushing. The heat is on. The air conditioner's on. The plumbing is here. Hit the Cash App and the PayPal. We talking revolution. Y'all want some water? Okay. Who wants some water? Who wants some Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey water? Who want that FDMG water? Oh, the water fountain is on, brothers and sisters. Who need a drink of water to calm their soul? Get some water for the ancestors. We got to do libation. Get some water for the ancestors. We got to do libation, brothers and sisters. Oh, man. It's raining, but we don't care. Yes, we do. That rain ain't messing with y'all, is it, Mr. Mark? All right. The main office. This is the main office. Main office. This is probably going to be the counselor or the school nurse. Counselor or the school nurse. Assistant principal. Assistant principal, counselor, or the school nurse. It's time to educate our children, brothers and sisters. It's time to educate our children, brothers and sisters. I need a different queen to bring me a school lunch every day. I need a different Germaniac to bring me lunch every day. Every day I get a different lunch at the school from a different queen. Everything is clean, brothers. We focused, brothers. Everything is clean. A different lunch from a different queen will be brought to me every day because I am the king. A different lunch from a different queen every day. Assistant principal. I don't need an assistant principal the first year. We good. Might have a dean of students. A dean of students.